I'm David Farley out here on exit 41 in Fort Sill, and out here at the key gate, it's all flooded out here. As you can tell, nobody cannot get in and out. This is June the 12th, 2016. We just got done receiving 4 inches of rain this morning. Then they were calling for more rain. Another additional 3 or 4 inches of rain, and the whole thing is all shut down. Then you look up here, the interstate, you'll see nothing but trucks up here and vehicles that are stranded because I-44 is shut down due because crossing lanes. And we have nothing but crossing lanes out here, and it's all flooded out here. We got old dot out here, we got county out here, we got the state troopers out here, we even got the Comanche Nation out here, and we got the emergency managements out here, a few storm spotters, like one of them is like me, but both sides of the westbound and the eastbound lanes are shut down at exit 41. We're out here separating the storms and damaging drains. Till then, I'm Tornadic David.